back home from the gym and showered, so now I'm gonna do an unboxing of my birthday slash Christmas present, like the other one. So if you don't know why I'm talking, in the previous vlog I unboxed my first luxury wallet, and I called it my birthday slash Christmas present, like either one of it, so this is the other one. Okay, so it's in this kind of box because I bought it online, because it is completely sold out in Singapore, so I bought it from Australia, and it's also cheaper, so yes. Okay, so this is the Prada Clio bag, and according to the staff, they don't name the bags differently, even though it comes in many different forms and versions. But this is, I believe, the medium size one. It's a little bit bigger and it comes with a flap. So the reason why I chose this is because it doesn't look flat as compared to the other versions, which is why I love it. So as usual, I went to many boutiques to try out many different bags, and out of all the bags, I really feel like this is the one that I love the most, and I feel like this is the one that I can wear on an everyday basis because you can dress it up and you can dress it down, you can wear it with casual clothes, it will go with everything. So yeah, obviously got it in black. Also, I feel like I really like this kind of leather that is, you know, very smooth to touch and feels very like solid, so I love this. I need to go back to my parents' house now for Dongzhi, so I'll see you guys there. 난 이런 게 좋더라 네 따뜻한 빛이 이 시간이 깊어져 갈수록 너와 난 점점 특별해져 준비할 때부터 분명하게 넌 느낌이 좀 달랐어 네 말투는 음악처럼 들려 네 미소는 영화처럼 보여 발끝으로는 널 맴돌아 난 춤을 춰난 꿈을 꿔나
Yeah. No.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas
everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again, with candy cans and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hobble-on-boots and a pistol that she sees the wish of Barney and Ben. A dance and a talk and a go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And mom and dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the ground tell, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the